Hello my dear children, today we are going to do one worksheet, adding decimals. Here you can see some boxes. In some boxes you can see numbers, but in some boxes are empty. Here some boxes are empty. So here one blank box, actually adding decimals. Here plus symbol, addition. Okay, that means we have to add decimal numbers. We have to add the numbers. Which decimals we have to add? Here 3.7, 2.5, 1.9, 4.8. We have to add all these side numbers. That is, here some numbers are top. These numbers 5.6 we have to add with the 3.7 and we need to write the answer in this box itself. This column we have to add all these numbers with 3.7 and we have to write that answers. That is, here 5.6. First number is 5.6. 5.6 plus 3.7. We have studied the addition of decimals. So now we can add it directly. 5.6, 3.7. We have to add these two. 6 plus 7, 13. Then 1 is there. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Before that, we have to keep here one decimal. So, 9.3. This 9.3, we have to add this column. That is, in this box, we have to write 9.3. Next, we have to add this 7.2 and 3.7 for this column. This column is for the addition of 3.7. That is, here some numbers you can see. These all numbers we have to add with 3.7 and we have to write that particular column. Okay. Next, these numbers itself we have to add with this second column number, that is 2.5. So we have to add all these numbers with 2.5 and we have to write that answers. Next, we have to add all these numbers with 1.9 and we have to write that answers here. Okay, 5.08 plus 1.9, that answer. Last column is for 4.8. That is, these numbers itself we have to add with 4.8 and we have to write that in particular column. So, here 9.3. Next 7.2. 7.2 plus 3.7. That is 7.2, 3.7. We have to add it. 2 plus 7, 9. Decimal point. 7 plus 3, 10. This 10.3 we have to add right here. Okay. Sorry, 10.9. Not 10.3, 10.9. Okay. Next, we have to add 1.7 and this 3.7. 1.7 and 3.7. 7 plus 7, 14. 1 we have to write there. Then next, point. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5.4. Okay, this 5.4 we have to write there. Next, this 2.9 and this 3.7. 2.9 and 3.7. For this first column, fully we need to add with 3.7. For second column, we need to add all these given numbers with 2.5. Okay, so 9 plus 7, 16 point, then 1 is the 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 6, 6.6. Clear? Next, this 4.5 and this 3.7. 4.5 and 3.7. We have to add it. 5 plus 7, 12. 1 is here. Next point. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8. 8.2. We have to write this 8.2 in this box. Next, this 1.32. 1.32. We have to add with 3.7. This 3 before this decimal. So 3 will be there. Next decimal. But 7 will be under this tens place digit. Okay. Not under this 2. Under this 3. Okay. Then 2. Nothing is there to add. We can keep there 1 0. To avoid the mistake. 2 plus 0. 2. 3 plus 7. 10. 1 is there. 3 plus 1. 4 plus 1. 5. 5.02. This 5.02 we can write here. Next 2.74 and this 3.7 itself. Because we are completing the first column. So we have to add all these numbers with the 3.7. So 3.7 and 2.74. 2.74 we have to add with 3.7. 3 will be under the 2 point. Point will be there in straight line and 3.7. 7 will be there under this 7. Then nothing is there. We can keep there 1 0. Then 4 plus 0. 4. 7 plus 7. 14. This 1 will be there. Then point. 2 plus 3 5. 5 plus 1 6. 6.44. Okay. Next 5.08. 5.08 plus 3.7. 3 will be before the decimal. After 3 decimal point. Then 3.7. 7 will be there under the 0. 8 here itself. 0 plus 7. 7. 5 plus 3. 8. 8.78. 8.78. Okay. Next. So we completed the addition with 3.7. Next, we have to add with 2.5. All these numbers, not our answers. First column we can see some numbers. These numbers we have to add with 2.5. Okay, that is 5.6 itself. 5.6 plus 2.5. Okay, then 6 plus 5, 11. 1 is there. That is 8. 8.1. Next, 7.2 and 2.5. 7.2 plus 2.5. That is 7.9. That is 9.7. Okay, children, I think you got the idea. All places you have to add these numbers and these given numbers. Okay, not these answers. Clear? Okay, we can complete this worksheet. Draw each column very properly. Use a scale, pencil for drawing this column. Okay.